Okay, you know, complete this sentence using a or an. I'm sorry, I'm sure a yaki and not all rabangla. And then I can talk to some all day. As Zuta Sharbo Wagalaga, I'm sure initial. Hoshem some shows Lanike, Kital Meshklase, Tolrabangla, Brinsem. It is Swedish car. And Mar Uzukta Sharbo, it is a Swedish car. She is air hostess. Air hostess the name. Ayrohan Katsunama. She's an air hostess. Ubol super name. Aeroplane kutkisi. Good. This is an English car. Bu bolsa nima? Bir Angliya mashinasi. Xo'sh, hammasini qaranglar. It is qanday car? It is an English car. Asosiy tavsiylar bor. Angliya mashinasi. Masalan, it is Japanese car. Qanday Japanese ga o'zlik tavsiylar boshlandi? A Japanese car. And this is Italian ma aynim bilan so'zliq tavsiylarga mana an Italian car. What about next? It is French car. Manan qaysina A mu yoki mu? A yoki B? It is a French car. He is American boy. O bo'lsa bir Amerikalik o'g'il bola. And Amerikalik bo'lganki ma A bilan boshlandi, shunga nima aytsanlar? An American boy. An American boy. King's she is student. What kind of student? She is a student. She is a student. Bob is not a teacher. A teacher. Good? Yaxshi. And so mushu ulgu misol vakin o'shdan qasatdan ishlab qaranglar. Shirt bilan white ni berib tushunami? Boshda uni rangini so'raydiganmiz. What color are your shirts? Okay. Sizniki ko'ynaklaringizning rangi nima? Our shirts are white. Bizningki nimalar? Ko'ynaklar white, oq rangda. Tushunami? Demak, endi mana shu so'g'anda ko'plikni ishlar ekanmiz. Xo'sh, endi ties bilan orange, galstuklar endi oblistni rangda. Endi so'raydiganimiz nima desanlar? Sizningki galstuklaringizning rangi nima? Onun rangi oblistni rangi. Now, endi sizning galstuklaringizning rangi deganda, what color are your ties? What color are your ties? Okay, javob bergan nima? Our ties are orange. Bizningki bu galstuklar qaysi rangda? Orange da. Demak, nima? Oblistni rangi. Demak, men mashq darsini qaranglar. Endi mana ishlab berganlar tick bilan yellow. Okay. Endi sizning biletlaringizning rangi nima? Name is what color are your tickets? What color are your tickets? Our tickets are yellow. Bizning biletlar qanday rangda? Yellow. Sariq rangda. So, how many cookies could a cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? Okay. And then cookies qayt nima desanlar? Bir tongue twisters. And the cookies deganimiz shu pechini bilan cookies deymiz. And how many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? Okay, and what nima desanlar? How many cookies? Qanchadal pechini pranikni could qilalari a good cook cook. A good cook. A good cook deganimiz yaxshi oshpaz. Cook degan etdi. If agar a good cook, agar bir yaxshi oshpaz could cook cookies, mush pechini pranikni qanday pishira olsa. Demakki, agar bir yaxshi oshpaz pechini pranikni pishira olsa, azali qancha pechini pranikni bir yaxshi oshpaz qila oladi yoki italadi deymiz. How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? How many cookies could a good cook cook if the good cook could cook cookies? Alright, actually we can. How many cookies good a good cook cook if a cook good? Alright, sorry. How many cookies could a good cook cook? How many cookies could good cook cook? If a good cook cook cookies, could cook cookies. could cook cookies. Demek ki nima shariki? Cookies deganimiz pecheni parani cookninki bir ism bo'lganda ma'nosi oshpaz, pil bo'lgandek ma'nosi tamoq etmak degan gap, ha. Endi nima shariki? A good cook could cook as much as cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Endi a good cook could cook bir yaxshi oshpaz tamoq etalaydi. As much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Demakchi, bir yaxshi oshpaz shu pechin pranik pishirolgandek ko'plikda shu pechin praniklarni pishiralaydi deydi. Buning ma'nosi bek tetiqsiz bo'ldi ba'zan bo'lgan. Lekin ham nima sharika, nima sanamiz tilimizni qanaqligi mashka. A good cook could a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Birinchi, how many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook cooks? Degandek, bo'ldi. Mushu sizlarga qilib qoldi. Bizniki mushtunga qaytarib berganlar, qani, qaysanlar yomon. Xo'sh, bizning mushak darsimiz mushakcha bo'lsin. And see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.